Ever wondered why the wealthiest individuals often lead lives of elegant simplicity, while many others chase endless possessions? Throughout history, from ancient philosophers to modern billionaires, embracing simplicity has been hailed as a hallmark of true wealth and wisdom. Even data shows that the world's top entrepreneurs and investors often maintain minimalist lifestyles. In this video, I'll reveal the hidden benefits of minimalism practiced by the rich. We'll explore practical strategies to simplify your life, reduce financial stress, and achieve true prosperity. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to integrate simplicity into your daily routine, empowering you to build wealth intelligently, reduce stress, and lead a more fulfilling life. If you're eager to build a life of abundance, hit like and subscribe now. We're committed to sharing proven methods and insights to help you succeed. Let's dive in. Number 1. The freedom from decision fatigue phenomenon. Every decision you make burns a little mental fuel. Now imagine this. Americans make over 35,000 decisions a day, from emails to grocery aisles to what to binge watch next. It's no wonder your brain is fried by 5 p.m. That's called decision fatigue, and it's not just tiring you, it's making you poor. As best-selling author Daniel Kahneman explains in Thinking, Fast and Slow, the more trivial decisions you make in a day, the less brain power you have for big ones, like investing, career moves, or planning your future. Billionaires like Mark Zuckerberg and Warren Buffett wear the same kind of outfit daily, not because they lack options, but because they've mastered energy management. Buffett once said, "I don't want to waste brain power on things that don't matter." Most people clutter their life with endless choices, 20 outfits, 15 apps, 10 streaming platforms. They believe freedom comes from more options. But here's the truth. More choices is equal to more stress. Simplify your routine. Plan your meals every Sunday. Stick to a capsule wardrobe of 15-20 items. Use autopay for bills. Set up automatic investments like a $200 monthly SIP in ETFs. When you clear out the noise, you give space to clarity. Every decision you don't make is a decision saved for something important, like building your wealth, your vision, or your peace. Number 2. Creative breakthrough through constraints. When you're chasing every option, you commit to nothing. You start projects but don't finish. You get stuck in analysis paralysis. Most people believe creativity blooms when you have endless resources, fancy tools, and big budgets. But the reality? Too much freedom kills innovation. Why? Because your brain stops searching for elegant, resourceful solutions. In contrast, constraints force clarity. Steve Jobs said, "Innovation is saying no to 1,000 things." And author Austin Kleon wrote in steel like an artist, "Creativity thrives on limitations." Now here's a truth bomb. Many folks fall into the trap of option overload. 15 notebooks, 30 software subscriptions, 10 half-started side hustles. It costs more than clutter. It costs clarity. It drains thousands of dollars a year and buries genius ideas under mental noise. Set creative limits. Use just one tool, 1 hour, one idea. Force your brain to innovate. Give yourself tight deadlines. Parkinson's law says work expands to the time given. Cut the fluff. Follow the one rule, one goal, one project, one priority per season. You know what's even more stressful than creative chaos? Relationship chaos. But minimalism can fix that too. Fewer possessions, deeper relationships. In chasing the American dream, many fill their homes with stuff, yet feel emptier than ever. Here's the hard truth. The more we chase possessions, the less present we become. Research show that materialism directly correlates with lower relationship satisfaction and higher anxiety. Simply put, more stuff, less love. Think about it. How many family arguments happen over money, clutter, or spending habits? Or how many moments are lost scrolling Amazon instead of having dinner together? Best-selling author Joshua Becker wrote in The More of Less, "The things we own often distract us from the things that truly matter." Declutter as a team. Go room by room with your partner or kids. Make it fun. Make it healing. Set spending boundaries together. Decide what you won't buy, like no more decor under pressure. The less you carry, the more present you become. Letting go of things makes space for what matters: love, time, trust, peace. Now what if I told you that minimalism doesn't just strengthen love, but grows financial wealth faster too? Number 4. The less you own, the more you invest. Morgan Housel says in The Psychology of Money, wealth is what you don't see. While others are flexing their $1,000 phones and $80,000 cars, the wealthy are stacking assets, stocks, ETFs, index funds, real estate, that quietly grow their net worth behind the scenes. Owning less isn't just about decluttering. It's about redirecting cash into something that pays you back. Cluttered spending habits create cluttered mindsets. You delay investing because you're always catching up. You fear taking risks because your lifestyle leaves no room for mistakes. You end up asset poor, even if you're income rich. Tyler, a 32-year-old in California, used to spend $500/month on tech gadgets and fashion. After a financial wake-up call, he sold unused items, simplified his wardrobe, and committed to investing $400 per month in index funds. In 3 years, he grew his portfolio to $18,000 plus, started dividend reinvesting, and is now planning for early retirement. Track your net worth monthly. It'll inspire you more than tracking your wardrobe. Ask, will this item earn for me or fade away? If it depreciates instantly, it's a liability, not a lifestyle, and it gets deeper. What if I told you simplicity could even fix your calendar? Number 5. Minimal calendars, maximum output. We often glorify busyness. Back-to-back meetings, packed to-do lists, and Google calendars that look like Tetris blocks. But here's the punch in the gut. Busy doesn't mean productive. It means distracted. The wealthiest people in the world don't fill their days. They guard them. Most people are addicted to saying yes. Yes to extra Zoom calls, unnecessary errands, random events, and projects they don't even care about. Even worse, this clutter robs you of time to invest, build, think, and grow. You're reacting, not creating. Use the hell yes or no rule. If it's not a hell yes, it's a no. Batch your tasks. Group emails, meetings, and calls into 1 or 2 time blocks a day. Set boundaries. No meetings before 10 a.m. or after 4 p.m. Don't let other people's urgency hijack your clarity. An overbooked schedule is a silent thief of success. When you remove the noise, your output becomes precise, powerful, and profitable. Number 6. Simplicity builds emotional discipline. Most people think emotional discipline comes from motivation or self-help books. But the truth is, cluttered lives lead to cluttered minds. When your environment, goals, finances, and decisions are all tangled in chaos, your emotions spiral out of control. And emotional chaos, it's expensive. People often try to fix external problems without realizing the root is emotional. They try budgeting apps without addressing the emotional triggers behind overspending. They join gyms without simplifying their priorities. They chase productivity but live in digital and physical clutter. What happens? They quit. They panic. They sabotage. Without emotional discipline, a market crash becomes a meltdown. A criticism at work becomes a confidence crisis. That lack of control bleeds into every decision, career, money, relationships, and slowly kills long-term growth. Simplify your environment. A calm space calms the brain. Clear the visual clutter around you. Declutter your digital world. Unfollow accounts that trigger comparison. Mute noise. Reclaim attention. When you simplify your outer world, you strengthen your inner world. And when your emotions are steady, your decisions become unstoppable. We started this journey with a bold idea that simplicity isn't sacrifice, it's a superpower. And now, you've seen why the wealthiest, most fulfilled people in the world don't chase more. They chase meaning. Clarity is the foundation of freedom, and simplicity is the gatekeeper of clarity. Before you leave, if this video resonated with you, give a thumbs up, subscribe to never miss an insight, and share it with your loved ones. Thank you for joining us today. Our wealthy discussion will continue in the next video. Until then, keep building wealth.